I saw your question on the discussion board. While sailing towards a statue, a sailor in a boat observes at a certain point the angle of elevation of the tip of the torch was 25 degrees. So here's the boat, and here's, say, the tip of the torch. The angle of elevation, is this angle here. It's 25 degrees. They sail another 120 meters, and then the angle of elevation is 39.5, 30 degrees, 50 minutes. So he sails from here to 120 meters, then the angle of elevation is 39 degrees, 50 minutes. I'll call this distance x to the statue and the height h. We're looking for h. So first thing I do is convert this 50 minutes to degrees, and it'd be 0.83 degrees. So you got two triangles. You have this bigger one and this smaller one. I'm going to use tangent on each of them. So I'll start with the smaller one. The tangent of this angle would equal the opposite over adjacent. So tangent would be equal h over x. We have two unknowns, so we got to come up with another equation. We're looking for h. I multiply each side by x, and then divide each side by tangent. So I rearrange this. X is h over tangent of 39.83. I do this because I'm ultimately looking for h, and I put that in a calculator, and that's 0.834, around to the three places. Then the bigger triangle here be the tangent of 25 equal opposite, which is h, what we're after, over the length of this side be 120 plus this unknown x. And so I'm going to substitute in, replace x with h over 0.834. And I punch that in a calculator, get 0.466, and now we just got to solve this equation here. I multiply each side by denominator, and it'll be just h. And I distribute the 0.46 times 125, gives me 58.25, and I'll multiply it here. I put 0.466 over 0.834, and that come out to 0.559 h. There is an h here, equal h. You want to subtract, I ran out of room, but you subtract that from each side and then divide this, and I come up with about 132 meters. Hope that helps.